So if you saw my last video, my fall decor haul, you saw I bought my first ever fall decorations right here, and then I finally did my decorating. I put on my Jazz Vibes, which is where I found the song on this video, and I started by putting away makeup, just a bunch that had to be put away that I hadn't tried out yet, that I had that just needed to go be put away. And I started with my desk. I cleaned the mirror and I took away all the spring stuff that I didn't want anymore on the desk, and I cleaned everything just to get all the dust and whatnot. And I just started rearranging with the items I wanted to keep on my desk and really just playing around. That's what I do most of the time, just replacing things and seeing what looks good to my eye. I took this lovely sign from Almay and I decided to make a little festive. I thought that was a cute little way to make it a little fallish, more rearranging. And then I took the few purple items and put those together. And then I took all my fallish looking beauty items, skincare and perfumes, and put those together over on the side. Just rearranged them till I thought it looked good. I decided to keep my mirror over there too, as well as my makeup brushes, just to have it out of the way. Now, a little DIY project. I found these old little scrapbook papers from Michael's and made my own little sign for the wall, make it a little cuter. And that is how the desk came out. Now onto the couch area. I added this beautiful glass pumpkin to the little table, and I arranged the plastic pumpkins on the back of the couch. For the chandelier, I took out the white little tea lights and added these orange ones to make it a little more festive. And I decided to take down my beautiful girls, my paintings, just because they weren't matching quite that well. Same with the wreath. I took that down, and I actually ended up putting that down on the couch by the pumpkins, just kind of brought it together, and I put Marilyn Monroe instead of the paintings. Now the last thing I did was my coffee bar. I just added the more fall festive looking things on top and added a little candle. And that concludes decorating my beauty room for fall. I really appreciate you watching. In my next video, I'm going to be organizing and showing all my vintage jewelry collection, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you then. Bye!